How to view your mortgage statement on Bank of America app. In order to view your mortgage statement on Bank of America app, you need to first of all log in. So open up your app and log into your account using your credentials. So from the home page, you want to go to mortgage loan account from the account dashboard section. Under it, you want to go to statement and documents. You could select the desired month and a year to view the statement as a PDF, or select download, save it to your device. As you've done that, you will be able to see your mortgage statement on Bank of America app. However, in some cases, there might be an error, or you might be asked to provide in all the details necessary. So you have to provide in unnecessary information like your social security number or tax identification number as well, or any sort of verification that you've enabled. You have to enter in that, and that's when you're going to view the mortgage statement on Bank of America app. And with that being said, we have completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.